There are dreams of future, good life, and so on. It is a cycle of bhava, emotions. What to do to increase thirst of truth, which in itself is not consistent. Seems very valid question. Eh? But it's all mental jargon. My dear, simply enjoy whatever you do. Just learn to enjoy. And what is in learning and enjoying? Just dance and laugh and sing. Huh? Why you become serious? Liberation, this and that. Oh yeah. Your problem is you want to enjoy this and not this. This is everybody's problem, isn't it? Learn to enjoy the opposite. Be the master of both. Either you accept both or you reject both. You cannot have one. Our total problem is this much. We want this and not this. But it is the same coin having two sides. If you want happiness, then who will suffer? Will you keep some servant for that? No enjoyment, no happiness is without the opposite. When you understand this much, that it is all one piece, buy one, get one free. Either accept both, sukh and dukh, happiness and misery. Or why you are after happiness? Leave it alone. Just be yourself. But you want to be happy. And you can be happy if you have so much money, if you have this kind of girlfriend, if you have this much of job, this and there is a list and list, never-ending list. It ends with the death. We say, thy will be done. Isn't it? What is thy will be done? Teri raja puri ho means I am okay with the both. It means I am okay with the both. I don't demand, I don't expect, I don't complain. But after some time, Trishna comes up. So you see it coming. Then why you jump on it? When there is a desire, immediately when you see a desire, it is like a beautiful girl or handsome young man, isn't it? You immediately jump. But after some time, Krishna comes up. Let it come. Let it go. Simple. But you hug it. You be friendly to it. Now, if you make a friend like this Krishna or whatever, so suffer. Get ready for suffering. There are dreams of future. So dream is a dream. When you wake up in the morning, what do you do with the dream? Dream is a dream, is a dream, is a dream. Dream is dream of future. Good life and so on. Who wants good life? Ask this first. Ask the one who is desiring or who is... Try to find out This is real meditation. If you do this meditation and if you know how to penetrate into the very question who is asking, no more meditation is required. No dynamic, no kundalini, no whosoever, no 40 days. Finish. When you ask this question, where is this I? Whatever answer you get, whatever, reject it. Never accept. When you are answerless, question will also disappear. हो जाए. What remains? That which is. No problem. All problems are over. Now you can be a masta. Dance, laugh. Or even if you like to be serious, be serious. हो जाए.